Introducing the newest generation of Olympus duodenoscopes, the TJF Q190V. The Olympus TJF Q190V duodenoscope provides the latest advancements in ERCP technology to satisfy your physicians, as well as a design meant to provide efficient reprocessing to meet the needs of your nurse managers and technicians. The TJF Q190V delivers a sharp, high-quality image for easy viewing and observation during the procedure. This duodenoscope provides a square image shape and a 15-degree backward viewing, designed to allow for expanded vertical field of view and improved cannulation efficiency. A dual locking mechanism at the distal end locks and holds 0.035-inch and 0.025-inch guide wires. The TJF Q190V has a working channel inner diameter size of 4.2 mm, an insertion tube outer diameter size of 11.3 mm, and a distal end outer diameter size of 13.5 mm. High-force transmission, scope handling technology designed to improve responsiveness and ergonomics in 190 series colonoscopes, is now incorporated into the TJF Q190V. This duodenoscope also features the 190 series waterproof one-touch connector. The TJF Q190V features the single-use distal cover, which is designed for improved visualization of the distal end during reprocessing and access for brushing and flushing. It also features the distal end flushing adapter that is designed for controlled and repeatable flushing of the distal tip of the endoscope during the manual reprocessing. The TJF Q190V comes with a 3-year premium protection plan. The premium protection plan provides on-site reprocessing training from an Olympus endoscope support specialist, and includes all routine repairs, as well as regular preventative maintenance. Olympus service centers are regulated and provide quick repair turnaround times and access to loaner scopes to support the uptime of your facility. When attaching the distal cover, or the MAJ-2315, confirm that the instrument channel outlet of the distal end is opened. If the instrument channel outlet is not opened, move the elevator control lever in the opposite direction of the U until the forceps elevator stops. Gently hold the distal end of the bending section and the distal cover. Align the opening side of the distal cover with the lens side of the distal end of the endoscope. Position your thumb at the center top of the distal cover and gently press it straight onto the endoscope's distal end until the distal ring's hook becomes fully visible through the cover's opening. Hold the distal end of the bending section. Gently pull the distal cover to confirm that the distal cover does not slip and come off. Gently twist the distal cover in both directions to confirm that the distal cover does not slip and come off. Inspect that the distal cover is free of cracks or deformation. Inspect that there is no adhesion of foreign materials between the distal end of the endoscope and the distal cover. Inspect that the distal cover is not seen on the endoscopic image. If the distal cover is seen, it is not attached properly to the distal end. Detach the distal cover from the distal end and replace it with a new one and repeat these steps. Re-inspect that the distal cover is not seen on the endoscopic image. When detaching the distal cover, or the MAJ-2315, confirm that the instrument channel outlet of the distal end is opened. If the instrument channel outlet is not opened, move the elevator control lever in the opposite direction of the U until the forceps elevator stops. Gently hold the distal end of the bending section and the distal cover. Push back the top of the distal cover's gripper to begin removal. Rotate the distal cover until its bottom is free from the distal ring's hook. After removing the distal cover, dispose of it in an appropriate manner. When using distal end flushing adapter, or the MAJ-2319, please make sure that all processes are performed with all instruments immersed in the appropriate liquid. When attaching the distal end flushing adapter to the distal end of the endoscope, confirm that the instrument channel outlet of the distal end is open. Hold the distal end flushing adapter. Attach the clip of the green cover to the shaft of the white cover and put the distal end of the endoscope inside the green cover with the backside surface viewable, lens side down. Shut the white cover and the green cover with a snap. Gently pull the endoscope to ensure that the distal end stays within the flushing adapter and does not come out. When detaching the distal end flushing adapter, open the white cover and the green cover to detach the MAJ-2319 flushing adapter from the endoscope. Then separate the white cover from the green cover.